how to get a bike license in the UK. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a motorcycle bike license in the UK. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. You must be at least 16 years old to apply for a provisional license in the UK. You can apply online through the DVLA website. Before you can ride on the road, you'll need to complete the CBT. This is a one-day course that teaches the basic skills required to safely ride a motorcycle or moped on public roads. If you plan to get a full motorcycle license, you'll need to pass a motorcycle theory test. This test includes multiple choice questions and a hazard perception test. There are different categories of motorcycle licenses in the UK, depending on the type and power of the bike you want to ride. These include M license for mopeds up to 50cc, a 1 license for motorcycles up to 125cc available at age 17, a 2 license for medium-sized motorcycles up to 35 kilowatts available at age 19, full category A license for unrestricted motorcycles available at age 24 or after 2 years of holding an A2 license. After completing your CBT and theory test, you'll need to pass the Module 1 practical test. This test covers off-road maneuvers such as emergency stops and slow speed handling. Once you pass Module 1, you can book your Module 2 test. This is a practical on-road test where an examiner will assess your riding skills in real traffic situations. After passing both Module 1 and Module 2, you will receive your full bike license in the category you applied for. You can now ride the bike according to the restrictions of your license category. That's all for the video.